you try to stay focused on your dreams, even after telling yourself, this time I'll change. But somehow, you fall back into the same patterns. What if the real reason you're stuck isn't motivation, but silent habits running your life without you noticing? In this video, I'll share 6 psychology-backed habit traps that quietly destroy your dreams and how to break them starting today. I discovered this pattern while trying to improve my own life. I kept setting goals, making plans, even starting strong, but something invisible kept pulling me back. Research shows most people don't fail suddenly. They fail slowly through repeated small behaviors they don't question. The problem is, your mind normalizes destruction when it happens in small doses. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly what's silently holding you back and how to take control again. Let's dive in. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your biggest enemy is not failure. It's comfort. Comfort feels safe, but it slowly traps you in the same place. Your brain is wired to save energy. Research in behavioral neuroscience shows the mind automatically prefers low-effort actions to preserve survival resources. That means your dreams always lose against comfort unless you consciously fight back. This works because your brain is not designed for success. It's designed for safety. Notice when you choose comfort over growth. Replace one comfort action daily with a difficult one. Start with small resistance like 5 minutes of work. Instead of scrolling for an hour, begin with just 5 minutes of focused action. The goal is not intensity, it's consistency against comfort. This next one is crucial. Most people don't fail because they stop. They fail because they delay. Delaying feels harmless, but it compounds into lost identity. Psychology research shows procrastination activates short-term dopamine relief, but increases long-term stress. Your brain tricks you into feeling better now while destroying your future. Use the 5-second rule. Act before your mind argues. Break tasks into absurdly small steps. Start messy, not perfect. Instead of waiting to feel ready, begin with the smallest possible action. Momentum always beats motivation. Most people don't know this, but overthinking is disguised avoidance. It feels productive, but nothing actually changes. Studies from cognitive psychology show overthinking activates the brain's threat system, making even small tasks feel dangerous. Your mind creates fake complexity to protect you from discomfort. Write thoughts instead of holding them. Limit thinking time to 2 minutes. Act before clarity arrives. Instead of planning endlessly, start immediately and adjust along the way. Action creates clarity, not thinking. Now here's something deeply overlooked. Your identity is shaped by your repeated emotional story. Your mind constantly repeats labels like, I'm lazy, or I can't do this, and over time, you believe them. Neuroscience shows repeated self-talk strengthens neural pathways, making thoughts feel like truth, even when they're not. Your brain believes repetition, not reality. Catch negative labels instantly. Replace them with neutral statements like, I'm learning. Focus on evidence, not emotion. Instead of saying I always fail, say I'm improving step by step. Your mind can trick you into feeling productive while doing nothing real. Planning, scrolling, organizing, all feel like progress, but they're often avoidance in disguise. Dopamine research shows anticipation creates reward signals even without real action. Your brain rewards thinking about work instead of doing it. Track output, not effort. Complete one real task before anything else. Limit planning time strictly. One real task beats hours of fake productivity. If your mind feels strong against you, don't fight it. Train it. Neuroscience proves repeated behavior rewires neural pathways. You become what you repeat, not what you think. Choose one tiny habit. Repeat it daily no matter how small. Never skip 2 days in a row. Even one page, one push-up, one action creates identity shift over time. Let's quickly review what we covered today. Comfort silently slows you down. Overthinking creates fake danger. Negative self-talk builds identity traps. Fake productivity replaces real action, and repetition rewires your brain completely. Your mind is powerful, but it is not always truthful. It protects comfort, not your dreams. The difference between staying stuck and changing your life is awareness followed by action. Don't wait for motivation. Start even if your mind resists, because resistance is normal when you're changing direction. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more self-improvement content. Comment one habit you're trying to break, and check the next video for how to rebuild your discipline system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.